Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll look at this other integral of functions. Now, if you look at it keenly, you'll see that in this situation, the angles are not the same. Sin AX, cos BX, and so on. So this type of problems for Math N6 are exactly the same things that were done in Math N5. So we're not going to take us too long. So all you need to do is look at the formula sheet and look for this formula. Then it will show you how to do the integral. So, for example, if I look at the formula that relates to this, it's the formula for sine A cos B on the formula sheet. That gives me 1 over 2 in brackets sine A plus B, then plus sine A minus B. So that is it. That is the formula that I'm going to use. So I'll just apply that here. So if I'm applying it, it means my A is pi over 2, my B is pi over 3, as simple as that. And then this half is a constant. So I'll be just taking my constant out. So that is the integral of sine pi over 2 plus pi over 3. So I can add my pi over 2. It's like 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. If you can do that with a calculator, it's fine, but if not, this should give us 5 over 6. Yeah, you can just add with a calculator, you'll see that. So this is sine 5 pi over 6x, then it's plus sine. Now I will need to take pi over 2 minus pi over 3 if I use subtraction. Then again with your calculator, 3 minus 2 will be 1. So that will give us sine pi over 6x. So you see that's how simple it is. You just need to pick the right formula on the formula sheet. So I just look at the arrangement, sine, cos. I go to my formula sheet. These formulas are on page number 1. You look for the formula for sine, cos. It takes you through. So what is left is just to integrate according to your formula, page 2 of your formula sheet. So the integral of sine AX, this will be an A on page 2. When I integrate sine AX, I get negative cos AX. My A is 5 over 6 pi divided by A, and my A is 5 pi over 6. So that's it for the first one. The second one, I will also get plus negative cos pi over 6x divided by pi over 6 plus. So with that one, I'm done. So that's how simple it is, guys. All you need to do is pick the right formula on your formula sheet. So let's go to the next. The arrangement here now is cos sine. So if I look for the formula for cos sine on my formula sheet, that formula says cos A sine B is a half in bracket sine A plus B, then minus sine A minus B. So that's my arrangement. So the half is a constant. So since my target is to integrate it, I'll keep the half outside. Then I'll take cos sine A plus B. My A is 6x, my B is 8x. 6 plus 8 is 14. So that will be sine 14x. Then followed by a minus sign. Then I'll take sine again. If I take 6x minus 8x, that gives me negative 2x. So that is what I'm integrating. So I have to integrate that, which should become simple. As we follow the scene from up there, when we integrate sine, it gives us negative cos. So the integral of sine 14x should be negative cos 14x, 14, and minus integral of sine negative 2x should be negative cos negative 2x on negative 2. So if you then have energy to simplify it, that is fine. If not, you leave it like that and you're done. So that's how simple it is. So that's why we're not wasting so much time there. Then if I go to this next one, the arrangement is cos and cos on my formula sheet. The formula for cos A, cos B is a half into cos A plus B, then followed by a positive sign cos A minus B. So all these are formulas on your math sinx formula sheet. So if I follow that, 1 over 2 is a constant. So in the place of this, if I'm integrating that, I set my 1 over 2 out. This is my a, that's my b. So a plus b means 2 pi plus 3 pi. That should give me cos 5 pi x, then followed by a positive sign. 2 pi minus 3 pi will be cos negative pi x. Then I move on now and integrate. So if I'm integrating cos, the direct integral of cos on page 2 of the formula sheet should give me sine ax. My a is 5 pi x over 5 pi plus sine negative pi x on negative pi plus c. So that's how easy it is. We can now handle the very last problem. So we look for the arrangement is sine A, sine B. So the formula for sine A, sine B is equal to a half in bracket cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So that's our formula. So if we use that here, we get a half as a constant, the integral of cos A minus B. So my A is like 1 over 6 minus 1 over 8. We'll do it manually. If you have a calculator, you can do it with a calculator. The LCD is, let me say 48. This will be 8 minus 6. So that gives me 2 over 48 or 1 over 24. Yeah, so that is it. So if I do my subtraction, I'll be having cos x over 24, so that's 1 over 24, followed by the positive sign. Now if I put a positive here, I'll get 14 on 48, which is 7 over 24, so that will be cos 7x on 24, all this dx. Then what is left is to do my integral. So the integral of cos, we've seen it already from above. Integrate cos ax is sine ax over a. So this will be sine 1 on 24x divided by 1 on 24, since your a is 1 on 24, plus sine 7 on 24x divided by 7 on 24 plus. So guys, this part I really expected it to be easy because it is the same things that are done in Math N5. So thank you very much guys.